Hello everyone. Today we will create a ring with scales. There are numerous fascinating rings we can craft by utilizing radial repetition. It's one of the ways to leverage this fantastic feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and of course leave your comments under the video. It's crucial for my small channel and me. Alright, let's begin. And first I'll remove the base sphere. I'll add a cylinder. This will be our size reference. The ring size will be 20 millimeters. I'll also specify the ring's width, which will be 7 millimeters. I'm adding another cylinder. We'll use it to create the scales. Using the gizmo, I'll lift this cylinder and turn on snap. 90 and rotate it by 90 degrees, then I'll turn off snap. I'll enlarge the cylinder by pulling the yellow ring of the gizmo tool until this small cylinder matches the width of the lower one. We'll adjust the topology of this cylinder and enable the second radius to give it a cone-like shape. We'll compress the cone along the Z-axis and slightly along the Y-axis. Using the mask with symmetry enabled along the X-axis, we'll mask the central polygons like this and invert the mask. Using the gizmo, we'll create this protrusion. We'll clear the mask. We'll mask, invert the mask, and use the gizmo to create this. We'll clear the mask. With the move command, we'll adjust the shape. Using the smooth command, I'll smooth it here and reflect the shape from left to right just in case. I'm adding multi-resolution. This will smooth the scale's shape a bit. Using the crease brush, I'm drawing this texture. Here, I'm clearly running out of polygons, so I'll recompute the model with the voxel remesh command. Smooth the surface and continue using the crease brush to draw the texture by creating grooves. I'll enable the sub mode for this brush and make sharp edges for these grooves. For 3D printing, we don't need to have too many polygons, so I'll apply a 20% decimation to optimize the mesh. Now we can add a radial repeater and along the Y-axis, adjust the number of scales as needed. If everything looks good, click Validate. In the pop-up window, select Keep Instances. This way, we can modify one of the scales and changes will apply to all since they will be dependent. I'll make some adjustments to my liking. I'll hide the size reference cylinder, and with the Boolean command, I'll merge the scales together. That's it, the ring is ready. Next, I'll set up the render. I really like the rendering in this program. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials and creative journeys. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and until next time, happy sculpting.